Hello, I'm Balint, and in this tutorial I will show you how to set up EasyFlow product options. With EasyFlow, you can add unlimited product options to your products. In this tutorial, we will create these four options, one for design, one for case type, one for adding a custom text, and one for adding extras, which is a great way to upsell on the product page. After we created these options, I will show you how to create these add-on prices, like the additional $10 for custom text or upselling these other products. And lastly, I will show you how to show hide options based on customer selection. So, for example, on this add custom text option, if the customer clicks yes, we will show a custom text input so they can write the custom text. To get started, just install the EasyFlow app from the Shopify App Store. You can find the link in the description, or you can just search for EasyFlow in the App Store. After you install the app, after a short onboarding, you will arrive into the main page of the app where you have the option to create your first option set. Basically, an option set is a collection of options that you want to show on a product. So in this case, we will create one option set that will include all these options that we then add to this iPhone product. So click the Create Option Set button, then add a title for the option set, which will not be visible to customers. It will be just for you, so you can remember it later on. I will just call this iPhone case personalizer. And after you add the option set title, then you will need to add the options to this option set. For that, just create this new option button and then choose the option type. For the first option, the design, we will choose the image swatch option type, where we will need to provide a name for the option, which is design in this case. This is visible for the customers, so it will appear here. Then we will need to add the option values. The option values are the things that the customer can select from within the option. So in this case, for an image swatch, we will upload the images they can choose from. And also you should make sure to always provide a value title, which is basically going to be visible here below the image. So color cloud for this one. Then I will just add the other images as well. Collage. Flowers. And lastly, ocean. Also, on the right, you will find some optional settings. In this case, I will make this option required, which means that the customer won't be able to check out or add this product to the cart without selecting a design option. The required option is marked with an asterisk here. Yes, and now I will just create all the other options as well. For the case type, I will create a dropdown. And for the values, thin and elegant, strong, ultra safe. There is a typo there. The next option is the add custom text. For that, we will use a button. Yes. In this case, I will also make the no value the default value, which means that when the customer opens the product page, this value will be already selected. I will also explain later how you can actually create these price add-ons for the yes value. As for the fourth one, we will just create a text box for the text input, custom text. This option will only show if the customer select yes, but I will show it later how you can actually set up that rule. And lastly, we will have the add extras, which is a checkbox. Yeah, the first one was screen protector. USB-C to USB-C cable, and lastly camera protector. Also later I will show how you can link add-on products for all these values, so those products will be actually added to the cart when the customer selects, as you can see for these prices. But yeah, let's come back to that later. And yeah, after you have all the options in the option set, you can select which products you want to show the options, this option set on the right here. So there is two options. Basically, you can just edit two options manually. In that is the best for our case. Then I will just search for the product, which is the iPhone case, and yeah, select it from the list. You can also select multiple products from the list if you want to add the option set manually to multiple products, or you can add the option set automatically to all current products or future products based on collection, product tag, and vendor. In this case, the option set will be added to all current and future products in a specific collection, or with a specific product tag, or with a specific vendor. But yeah, for now, let's just go back to the iPhone case and save the option set. Now I will show you how to create price add-ons to charge extra if the customer selects a specific value. To do that, first open the option where you want to have price add-ons. Then you will have two ways to create a price add-on. The first one is to just specify a price here in the add-on price field. In that case, we will generate an add-on product in your shop that will be added to the cart if the customer selects that value. That add-on product will be hidden from your shop and only appear in the cart if the customer selects this value. The second option is to click the add-on product button, where you can select an existing product that you already have in your shop. That will be added to the cart along the base product if the customer selects this. For this custom text option, the best way for us is to just provide the add-on price here. So I will type 10 and save the changes. And now, if the customer selects yes here for the add custom text, then an additional $10 will be charged at checkout. Now for the add extras, here I will show you how to link an existing product for each of these values to upsell them on the product page. So basically, just click the add-on product button here and type in the name of the product that you want to upsell, which in this case is the iPhone screen protector. And yeah, do that for all the values. In this case, the USB-C to C cable, and lastly the camera protector. After you linked all the products you want to upsell for the values, just click Save here. Now, basically, we will have all these add-on charges for the custom text and for the extras as well. When you are creating price add-ons, there are a couple of extra settings where you can customize how they work. You can do that in the customization and settings page. I will quickly show you what each of these settings mean. The first one is that the add-on quantity should match the product quantity. That means that, for example, if the customer selects the custom text price add-on and they change the quantity, the product quantity to 2, then if I add this to the cart, the custom text add-on will be in the cart twice as well. Also, if they change the quantity in the cart, it will change with the add-on quantity will change with it as well. The second option is to disable removing add-on products from the cart. If that checked in, that basically means that the remove button here and the quantity is hidden, so the customer can't remove the add-on product without removing the base product. If the customer removes the base product, that will remove the add-on product as well. And lastly, the show total price of selected add-ons. If you check this option in, then that makes sure that if the customer selects some extras, the total price of those selected extras will show under the options. You can customize the storefront text here, so you can put here anything you want, and then that will appear here. Lastly, I will show you how to hide and show this custom text box based on customer selection. To do that, just go to the options set page, and below the options you will see rules. Basically, you can create rules to hide and show options based on what the customer selected. So just create rule and add the rule name. This is not going to be visible for customers, just for yourself. So I will type show text box. And then every rule have two parts. The first one is the condition. Basically here you will specify when something should happen. Basically what should the customer select to something happen. And then the second part is what should happen. So in our case, basically what we want is that if the customer selects the yes from the custom text option, then we will want to show the text box. To do that, I will just select the add custom text option here. Then I select that the add custom text is one of these values. I want it to be yes. So if the customer selects yes, I want to show the custom text option, and just click create rule, and then everything is set up. In the next part, I will show you how to actually activate the EasyFlow app in your team, so the options will be actually visible on the product page. To show the options created with EasyFlow on the product page, you will need to add the EasyFlow app block to the product page in the theme editor. To do that, go to Online Store, then click Customize, and in the theme editor, once it loaded on the top middle, navigate to Products and choose the default product page. Note that if you have multiple product pages where you want to show options, you will need to add the EasyFlow app block to all of them. So just click the default product page, and then on the left, here I already added the app block, but first it won't be added. So on the left, you should just add the EasyFlow app block to the place where you want to show the options. In some cases, if you use page builders or if you use old Shopify themes, you won't be able to add the app block to your product page at the good place. In that case, just go to App Embeds and turn on the EasyFlow App Embed. That will also show the options. We only recommend to use it in case that you can place the ad block to the right place. Also, even if you use the ad block, we also recommend to turn on the app embed as well, because there are some functionalities related to add-on prices that only work well if the app embed is turned on as well. And yeah, just click save, and then now the options will show on the product page on your storefront.